My name's Tom Larkin. I'm an artist developer, a record producer and an artist myself as the drummer in a New Zealand rock band called Sheeheart. I came across Alien Weaponry mid-2015. I saw some stuff online. They had a crazy video, set a whole bunch of shit on fire, and I just went, I've got to work with these kids. They were so good at that point that I want to know how this story's going to end.
Tom's really brought a different element to the table. He's really sat down, listened to our songs, and thought, how can he make it so that other people will enjoy listening to it?
How much more metal is this track than the last track we did?
It's different, more thrashy.
Sweet.
It is metal.
Well, so long as it's metal, we're not going to fail.
I wrote the lyrics to PC, bro. It's about the way society is today, where everything is kind of politically correct. It's also about mindless watching of other people's lives on TV, celebrity shows and stuff.
Play.
He's got a very straightforward, in-your-face approach.
And we like that.
But it's good. Yeah, it's real good. He knows what he's talking about.
Slower?
Tom has said there is a difference between constructive criticism and criticism, but being hurt by constructive criticism doesn't stop it being constructive criticism.
If, whilst we're trying to talk to each other, through the console and through the cans, and one of you fires up on your instrument, fires up a pedal or starts tinging on their drums or anything like that, your name is then put into the shred jar, and at the end of the session, whoever has the most amount of their name in the jar buys everyone pizza. It's a high incentive for you guys to allow communication to happen clearly and efficiently.
This fella will be buying us all pizza.
Oh, you think that, eh?
Yeah, bro.
That.
It's just coming through the left channel.
What do you say?
What's up?
Okay, shred jar's on now, okay? Someone's buying pizza.
When you're in a studio, it's really, really quite different from in the band room. It's a real different environment. It really gives you the time to sit down with your guitar, play it separately from your vocals, and really just listen to all the fine details of what you're doing.
I'm definitely hearing a whole bunch of stuff that in the band room I wasn't hearing before. It's sounding really cool. I think it's coming together quite nicely.
In the middle section, where you do that solo vocal thing, I reckon a different approach when the guitars come in. We want that contrast. We want to build something that allows us to drop, so that when that next heavy section kicks in, it crushes.
When I see Alien Weaponry, the things that come to mind are a lot of that early 80s thrash metal. But at the same time, they have more of a modern approach. But one of the things I'm really excited about is actually seeing how it's going to go in 3 to 5 years, because as they grow into adulthood, we're going to see some really interesting musical changes, particularly given the fact that they're so good at their instruments. I'm really looking forward to how it turns out.